breakfast tacos are done. Bobby's gonna taste one.
Very meaty. Very good.
Using some Eckrich Little Smokies. Tortillas are done. Ouch. And yeah, really done. Okay. Let those sit over there for a minute. Pickled jalapenos and pickled onions. We're gonna add in some restaurants, leftovers, right? Let's add that in. And what's left of the little smokies, I cut it in little bits. Throw that in there too. Just gonna let this get nice and warm and toasty. Cooked out most of the juice. Now over here we've got some scrambled eggs. They're not cooked yet, but you know, whisked with salt and pepper in them. It's time for those to go in. Here we go. Just gonna walk these eggs off the edges into the middle till they're done. Now that the eggs are all the way cooked, we're gonna turn the heat off, and now we add the cheese. As little or as much as you want. It's still hot, even though the temperature's off. It's gonna melt. It's gonna be yummy, yummy. All right, breakfast tacos are done. Bobby's gonna taste one.
Very meaty.
You think there's enough cheese?
Very good.